Well, looks like the secondary heat exchanger is dirty. That's why the house has poor airflow. Dirty ductwork as always. Now, if you really question your airflow, not sure about ductwork and stuff, see that plate? How it's dented? See the hair underneath? So even though there's return ductwork that'll pull air from the house, do you think this furnace has been pulling a lot of air from the house through the filter or the basement? Especially when you got a pretty good dent like that. And it's not flat. And it's definitely